Well, time to change the old sticker on there, the Vinci sticker. I caught it coming down the driveway. It's got a bit of a scratch on there, but anyway, I've ordered a replacement, brand new one. Not cheap, £9.50, but it did include first class postage. Right then, now to get the adhesive off. What I've done is what I've done before with adhesive, is just used wife's nail polish. I'm not recommending that anybody use it, but if you get an adhesive off, it's worked for me in the past. So let's rub away. A few little high spots of blue still on there. Just gently using my fingernail, take them off. I've used petrol before to get adhesive marks off it. It's obviously really quite strong. This nail polish remover is a non-acetone type, whatever that means. He's doing the job quite well. I've still got sort of shadow of where the sticker was, so I've got a mark of where I can start to put the sticker back on. See some faint scratches in there of where I've caught it. Probably polish those out after the sticker goes back on. I'm probably better off polishing them without the sticker on. Make sure I don't catch it again. And that's clean enough. Right, I got this from Vinci. I emailed them. Can you still get the stickers, and if so, how do I purchase them? £9.50 each. A little bit expensive really, I think, but it's a foil. It's foil sticker shaped. Obviously go back on, work a lot better. Always going to change on both, but the other side there's nothing wrong with it, so should be all good. Right then, give there's also a little bit of a polish. Scratches aren't too bad, still see them a little bit. Stickers on in the same place. Give or take a millimetre here and there, I guess. Just to peel the little protective film on. Job's a good one.